Court strikes out Kanu's application for transfer from Sokoto prison to Abuja. The court threw out the application for transfer of Mr. Kanu's custody from Sokoto to Abuja after listening to Mr. Kanu's legal aid counsel appointed lawyer on Tuesday. The Federal High Court, Abuja, on Tuesday struck out a request for the transfer of the custody of Biafra agitator Nnamdi Kanu's custody from Sokoto, where he is serving a life jail term, to Abuja. The judge, James Omotosho, struck out the application filed as a motion ex parte, following the withdrawal of the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria, LACON, from Mr. Kanu's defense. The senior legal officer of LACON, Demdoo Asan, representing Mr. Kanu, announced his withdrawal from the defense, citing irreconcilable issues. Since the last adjourned date, I have been on constant phone communication with the relatives of the applicant. However, the relatives of the applicant didn't show up at our office to submit the application. Despite phone calls and promises to show up, Mr. Demdoo narrated. He also said the applicant wants to dictate the tone of the matter, he wants to control what counsel would say, he wants to write down what I would say while in court. But, as an officer of the court, I can't in good faith accept that. Mr. Demdoo also told the court how he consulted with his superiors, who shared the same sentiment. He said, as officers of the court, he and his office would handle the matter as they saw fit, or the applicant could seek legal representation elsewhere. On that note, he invoked Order 50, Rule 1 of the Federal High Court rules to withdraw from the matter. In his ruling, the judge, Mr. Omotosho, commended the counsel for upholding the dignity of the court. Having listened to counsel from the Legal Aid Council, I will grant leave for the counsel and the legal aid generally to withdraw from representing the defendant convict, Mr. Omotosho said. He also described the motion as incompetent. The judge explained that despite the flaws of the application, directed other parties involved in the matter to be served with the processes filed, in the interest of justice. But, since the last court sitting on December 8, 2025 until today January 27, there was no proof of service before this court. The judge struck out the ex parte motion for lacking competence. The LACON came into the matter after the judge rejected the move by Mr. Kanu's brother, who was not a lawyer, to move the application on behalf of the Biafra agitator.